little Shrek'd out action right here. Hello, willodavis. How's it going? If this shot looks really annoying, don't worry. I've taken this off now. It looks stupid. It looks stupid. Hello, willodavis. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of WiLLo in the Kitchen. Today, we're making the Mayonster, the meme from like last year. The Mayonster. It's not a new thing. It's just someone mocked it up on like a meme. Thank you to jackieattackie for the suggestion. It was a great idea. So what I have here is a can of Monster. Classic, the full sugar one. Funny enough, it's got the Master Chief, the Halo Infinite double XP thing on it, which ended at the end of 2020, that campaign. That was how long you had to get your codes in for that, which means this was older than I was hoping it would be. But it'll probably be fine. Like, what's gonna happen to it? So I'm gonna reduce this down, and then we're mixing it with some Hellman's vegan. They don't want to call it mayonnaise because they're afraid of big mayo coming for them. Hellman's is big mayo. They're afraid of big egg being like, it's not real mayonnaise, they ain't got the eggs. So as you've seen, they've got the mayochup, the what do they call the other ones? It's like there's like Mayo Q or something for like barbecue mayo. Is there like mayustard? Do they have mayustard? Is that what they call it? Anyway, they combine some condiments. So someone made the meme. What about Mayonster? And I think people have done this before, but I'm gonna reduce this down. Why am I not in the kitchen right now? Because I got a grocery delivery before, and I really don't feel like putting the paper bags and the non-perishables away at the moment. So let's go get this started. I've been talking long enough. I gotta reduce this down, let it cool, and I'll mix with the mayo, and I'll dip some chips in it or something. It'd probably make a good dip, right? Let's find out. Vegan, of course.
Gordana, we need more Mayonster. What am I supposed to put on my hot dog? That's the hot pit right there. Look at that. Wow. Oh man. Alright, well, we'll let that reduce. No, I got a better idea. Get this. There we go. That'll go faster. A little more surface area for the kid, you know? A throwback to the monster pie that Zach told me to make that one time. That tasted delicious. I shouldn't have used a graham cracker crust, but the actual pie tasted good, I gotta tell you. Okay, we're almost there. As you can see, it's reduced down quite a bit. I think it's got a little bit to go till it becomes like kind of more of like a syrup kind of thing. I guess I kind of want it to be like a condiment texture as much as possible, so that when I mix it with the mayo, it doesn't like loosen it up too much, you know. We'll see what happens. Okay, so this is now turned into syrup. It's still hot, so you can see it's pretty loose. It's like probably just under like maple syrup, like real maple syrup texture. So when it cools down, I'm assuming it's gonna stiffen up a lot. Like it's even like kind of like a drip. Yeah, see, it's got like, is that a lot of viscosity or not a lot of viscosity? I forget how that works, but too hot. It's good. Don't mind the open cabinets. It's
good. It's like a candy thing. So I gotta let this cool. Actually, I have to go do something right now. So I'll be back later to finish this up. Okay. Hey, it's later. I'm back. I made it too stiff. It's candy. Kinda. I mean, it's like caramel or something. Can I like add water to this? Stand by. Okay, we're good. I added a little water and heated it up, and we're good. It's warm right now, so it's obviously still a liquid. I'm gonna let it cool, and now it should be like a nice syrup and not a sticky caramel thing. All right, everybody, it's cooled down. It's like room temperature. It's got a nice, like a cola color to it. Still liquidy, but I mean, just when it gets in touch with the cold mayo, it might pretty good. It might thicken up a little bit more, so I don't want to go too much. And I have here the mayo. Got a nice thing of it here. Nice glob of the mayo, and I'll I guess I don't mix it to taste, but then I have to taste it. So. All right, sorry for the weird angle. I got you in the cupboard right now. But there, I don't know about you. I like my Mayonster strong, so I guess we'll just go try for a tablespoon for now. Let's see. Give it a stir here. Oh, we need to color it too, don't we, for full effect? That'll mix in. It's got this nice savory kind of color to it now. It looks like almost like some kind of like a dressing of some kind, which I guess kind of is. It needs more Monster, another tablespoon at least. Adding in, there goes the Monster concentrate, or the Moncentrate. Let's call it that. Mix this up. Okay, now that's looking like some honey mustard, maybe like a Dijon dipping sauce of some kind. Just need to make it green. Why is there no green? I guess we used it. Maybe for those Halloween cupcakes we made last year. We'll have to do a combo of this. Oh God. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, might need more actually. I thought it was gonna be dark. All right, everybody. There we go. Ready to try this out. What I got? I got some uts, ripples to try these out with. It'll make a nice dipping sauce. All right, everybody, here we go. I got it. You can see the Mayonster. I got my chippies. Let's see how the Mayonster dip treats us, right? I think it'll be fine. I mean, it's two things that are fine on their own, so a little Shrek'd out action right here. Kiss me, I'm Irish type situation. There we go, everybody. It's a little drippy. It, I guess it warmed up a little bit from the syrup. Let's give this a try. Okay. It's pretty good. There's something about the sweetness of it actually works out, you know? In a sick, twisted kind of way. I don't know what to compare it to. Like a dressing. Just like some kind of weird, like a sweet salad dressing, you know? with a hint of Monster in there. Honestly, there's no reason for it to exist because you could just. It's sweet. It's sweet like how like Thousand Island is, which is mostly mayo and ketchup, right? I guess the ketchup sweetens it up. It's just like that. So there's really no reason for this to exist. I mean, I suppose the boost of energy could have some kind of benefit. Energy dip. I don't know if I could ever slather this on like a sandwich, but I guess it's possible. You could do like a French dressing on. That would be fun. So weirdly enough, this is working out for me. You could try it for yourself if you don't believe me. It's a little. It's a little loose. Maybe I should add some agar-agar to the Monster, but also if I refrigerate this, it'd probably be better too. You want to try, buddy?
No, thank you.
Okay. Let me know if you change your mind. Let's see. What can I rate this? My tongue's all green from it. Sorry. If I was as far as maybe some kind of like dressing or dip goes, it's probably not very high on the list. It is good though, but I would probably definitely rather have something else. I've just been sitting here eating them off camera instead of coming up with like an overall kind of rating. Okay. As far as like a dip for a chip goes, maybe like a 4 out of 10. I feel like I talked it up at the beginning, but that's just because I was surprised that it's actually not horrible. But let me tell you, there's better dips out there. Okay? All right, so there you go, everybody. Let me know if you got any other ideas for some interesting recipes for me to do in the comments. And definitely smash like if you enjoyed this. Let me know if you're going to try this one. Maybe it would go good on some kind of sandwich, an Italian, some kind of, I don't know. Well, anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, cheers.